Yeah. Well,
Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, hi.
Are you aware of the smell that is coming out of your window and possibly polluting the neighbourhood?
Okay, well this is my toilet.
Meant to remove lint in here. Hello Milo, thank you for being my helper today. I have never done this side, oh my god, because it's always at the wall. But what way should I go? I'll go the worst way first. And I always try and hoover this, clearly not this fucking side. And yeah, the hoover takes out some hair. Holy fuck. Wheel Milo.
Rock, paper, scissors.
You know what? I don't like this. All these games are based on the dark side of life.
You got a knife. A knife. You're closer to the victim. It's more personal.
you're so dirty.
Uh-oh.
You're a naughty boy. Go.
I hit a woman for the first time in my life. And I'm having...
The girl them skill arty. Thunderball. Some give it up. Some give it up. Some.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
prank calling you. I'm asking you about my wife, Lois.
Yeah, who is this?
What do you mean, who is this? This is Peter Griffin. What are you talking about here? Now, Zay, we're going to get down to the bottom of this right now, all right? Now, why were you banging my wife? Oh, you think this is funny? What?
That's against the law, and you're gonna have to go to jail.
If men can walk around the streets without a shirt on, I think women should have every right to do so. There's honestly no difference. It is just a set of nipples.
We support you 100%. We think more women should be like you. As a matter of fact, I think I love you. Every man agrees with you. We support you. Go for it.
Nossa, nossa, oh meu Deus, ai meu Deus, ai meu Deus, ai meu Deus. Ai, ai meu Deus. Caralho.
Hi.
Uber for Jeff?
Yes.
All right, cool. Going to Toyotathon?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. So, hey, just out of curiosity, have you ever heard of the hit game Among Us?
Evet, yarışmacımız Yaşar yürüyor. Yaşar hazırlanıyor. Mükemmel bir atlayış.
Buenas tardes, amigos. Estamos en una campaña para el buen uso del tapaboca, hermano. Póngase el tapaboca bien, hermano. Póngase el tapaboca bien. Póngaselo, hermano. Muy buenas tardes, amigos. Estamos en una campaña para el uso correcto del tapaboca, hermano. Póngase el tapaboca bien. Póngase el tapaboca. Póngase el tapaboca. Lo vas a contagiar. Muy buenas tardes, amigos. Estamos en una campaña para el uso correcto del tapaboca, hermano. Póngase el tapaboca bien, hermano. Que se ponga el tapaboca, hermano. No, brother, que se ponga el tapaboca, hermano. Vas a contagiarlo. Hermano, estoy velando por tu seguridad. Muy buenas tardes, amigos. Estamos en una campaña para el uso correcto del tapaboca, hermano. Póngase el tapaboca bien, hermano. Póngase el tapaboca bien, hermano. Póngase el tapaboca bien, hermano. Va a contagiar al muchacho. Va a contagiar al muchacho. Por ejemplo, mira, un hombre ejemplar. Muy buenas tardes, amigos. Estamos en una campaña para el uso correcto del tapaboca, hermano. Póngase el tapaboca. Póngase el tapaboca, hermano. Póngase el tapaboca. Póngaselo. Póngase el tapaboca.
I know you guys have played in front of a lot of celebrities, but what was it like to compete in front of royalty tonight? The Prince and Princess of Wales were in the building.
It was just a regular game to me.
Put something on it. I sell ice in the winter. I sell fire in hell. I am a hustler, baby. I'll sell water to a well. I was born to get cake, move on and switch states. Capped a coupe with a roof, go on and switch plates. Never dictate, never follow orders. Dick face, get your shit straight. Fuck all this is Big J. Oh yeah, will not lose ever. Fuck off. Mandy Mayhem in your iPhone.